Greyhounds as Pets recently partnered with the Small Animal Specialist Hospital, or S.A.H, in the Canine Blood Donor Program. We recently visited S.A.H with one of our boys, Jack, to make a blood donation. We spoke with S.A.H vet nurse Helen about why greyhounds make such great blood donors.
They're excellent because they have a lot more red blood cells than your average breeds. They're usually 10 to 20% higher than your average breeds. So that means that the blood that you're giving as a donation has a lot more blood cells in it, so you can give less effectively. But they're usually generally really easy, placid dogs that do well just lying down on the table. They don't seem to flinch with the needles, and they're very easygoing dogs, so it's perfect for the donation process, which you need to be nice and calm. So first of all, we take a small blood sample just to make sure everything's good with him, so he's got enough blood cells to donate with, that he's nice and healthy in all his organs, and just to make sure there's no infections or anything running through his blood system, because that wouldn't be beneficial as a donation. So once we're happy that he's nice and healthy, we take all his vitals, so we check that his heart's working nicely, make sure his breathing's all okay, that his temperature's all normal, and then we just go ahead and start by shaving their neck, and then we apply some local anaesthetic cream so that they don't feel the big needle going in, and then once we're happy that he's nice and relaxed, we pop him on the table, lie him down usually on his left side, and then we start the process. Blood is a very important part, obviously, of keeping us alive. We have various emergency situations where we need whole blood to be transfused. So animals could have been in car accidents, they've actually lost blood through injury, or there's also medical diseases where the body attacks their own blood cells, so they need transfusions to help boost that back up again. So yeah, nearly every day or every other day we're transfusing blood into one of our patients. So it's a very in-demand product, and it's very useful that our greyhounds are so good at taking donations from.
Fantastic, and how did our Jack do today?
He was a very good boy, very easygoing, fell asleep during the process.
Just shows no ill effects from the donation, and he's scoffed down a big feed. If people want to get involved in your blood donor program, what should they do?
So they can contact us here at S.A.H and ask about the canine blood bank. Ideally, your dog needs to be at least 2 years old and not older than 6, and be fully vaccinated, nice and healthy, not have any current medical conditions, and never have received a blood transfusion in the past. And then we can go from there and discuss taking blood from you.